Gentiles and the Jews are just the same because they are all under the same. They fall short of the Torah of Yahweh. They are under sin, and the Torah is not here. The Torah's role is not to justify the people, but to reveal the sin of these people. Ano mga kapatid, the Torah, according to Yahweh, the Torah is good. The Torah teaches us knowledge, but people only select a few, not all. That's why later as we discuss, we will see kung bakit ba talaga natin kailangan ng Torah. Next. So we have our objectives for the day. First, after this discussion, we will know what it means. Salvation is by grace, through faith in Yeshua, not by Torah keeping. Kasi this is a very controversial thing. And they will say, see, not by Torah keeping. But later we will understand what it means. Next, Torah is Yahweh's instruction for righteous living. So we will understand that later today. Pangatlo po, Yeshua himself taught, kept, and upheld the Torah. We will see that during Yeshua's life, we will see how he lived his life. No? Did he live his life without following the Torah, or he is following the Torah? Pangapat, after Yeshua, the apostles continued teaching the Torah after Yeshua's resurrection. And panglima, the Torah guides, protects, and blesses believers until today. Yan po yung mga objectives po natin for this instruction, for this discussion. Next. Since Torah po ang ating pag-uusapan, Torah, just like what I said before, it's majority of the people only think that this is only the 5 books of Moses. But here, we will define Torah according to the different references na reliable, na makita po natin kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng Torah. So, according to Britannica.com, in the topic Torah, in the broadest sense, mas pinalawak, it is the substance of divine revelation to His people, to the people of Israel. Ito po yung mga revelations niya Yahweh doon sa kanyang mga tao. What is this? The teachings or the guidance of the humankind. Doon po natin makikita kung paano ni Yahweh ginag-guide ang kanyang mga tao. Not only He create the people and then leave them to live their own lives without any control kung ano gagawin nila. No.